Hello student, in our data mining, next topic is classification software. What is classification? What are the classification software we can use in a data mining? We can see here. In your classification software, there are two types, C4.5 and CAT. And COT. We can used in a data mining software. First one is C4.5, second one is the COT. This software we can used in a data mining. What is C4.5? First, C4 is developed in a ROS. C4.5 it will be developed by Quinine, Rose, Quinoline initially developed it. This why we can use this C4.5 means it is the data set must be have a number of instance of object or thing that are we can describe the number of attributes. We can number of attribute we can describe the object or things we can use to the number of instance. It is called we can use to represent this one. It is a C4.5. C4.5 is the data set. That one is the data set must have a number of instance of must have a number of instance of object or things we can use to represent this one, or we can describe the number of attribute. Some of their object must be from the training data we can use to represent, or it is assumed that each object belong to only one class. It will only one class. Each object belongs to only one class. It assumes that each object belongs to only one classes we can use. It means we can write here object and the class. It means each object belongs to one class. Then we can represent object 1, object 2. Number of object we can use. This number of object will be represent only one class. The types of information we can given in a C4.5 software will be given. In your C4.5 is based on the using decision tree approach. This will be approached in a decision tree. C4.5 is based on using the decision tree approach. It will be given. In your C4.5 it will be allows binary questions as well as questions that have more than two possibility of answer will be given, or since the algorithm is based on decision tree, then a node may be lead to either the just two branches or more than two branches we can use. In your C4.5 we can use the just two branches or more than two branches. We can obviously a node with the only one branch does not make a much sense. It means we can use the decision tree means we can have a two branches. This one is the root and the leaf. Two or more leaf we can have means that is the branch, or this is the decision tree. That's why we can use the two or more than two or branches means we can use the two branches or two or more than two branches we can use. Branches are more than two branches. More than two branches we can use it. Next, the highest level questions are chosen to be most discriminatory. It means it will be, we can use the lowest or highest level we can represent it. We can see this one is the highest of level, then this one is the low, middle, this one is the middle, this one is the low. It means we can represent the branches or the leaves, we can represent in a higher level. We can choose it. The question to be chosen first is the one there, then we can divide it into two objects. I will represent here, we can represent two or more object, we can represent it two groups or 5 each, then question then divided into two objects into the two group of the 8 and the two objects. The growth of the decision tree terminate when the number of growth will be all node or either the single object or the cannot be discriminated any further value. It is we can use in a C4.5. It means we can use the single class we can represent a number of object L1, L2, L3, then L4. This number of object we can use to represent. Then either the single object or the object cannot be discriminated any further value. Then each terminating leaves is a class and the label will be assigned it. In your word, each terminating leaf is a class and a label is assigned to it. Each terminating leaf is a class and the label we can use. In your C4.5 software we can use the tree pruning technique. We can use tree pruning. C4.5 tree pruning. This one we can use this. Why we can use in a C4.5 tree pruning means is sometimes decision tree obtained by the classification of given data and data set may be overfitting of the data. If the classification of state data will be each state appearing into own classes, we may believe that the classification algorithm. It means we can represent the tree pruning means maybe it is the overfitting of data. Data set may be sometimes data set may be overfitting. It means we have this much of space we can have, means we can put it in a data, whatever the data we can assign here, we can number of data, this much of data we can keep it in here, means this is the overfitting or overflow of information. We can do this classification of state data. Each state we can appear in a own class. It means we can have a more data, means we can represent a single data or data set we can use to represent the value. Then decision tree is one of the major technique in these packages include the Naive Bayes method we can use to other classification method to given to the C4.5. What are the method or method we can use to we can include the value? Naive Bayes method. Naive bias method we can use to represent our method. We can include the data. Naive Bayes method we can use. SIP 4.5, it is the version 8 of the classic decision tree tool developed by the J.R. Quinin. Who will develop? J.R. Quinin will be represent the develop the SIP 4.5. This is the 8 version. SIP 4.5 is the version 5, version 8 of the classic decision tree. Classic decision tree. This is the decision tree tool. C5 who will be developed by J.R. Quinilan. He is the developer of the SIP 4.5 software. This is the version 8 version. It is version of the classic decision tree. This one is the decision tool. Then next one C5.0, or sometimes you can written C5 or C5 you can written from rule. Then research is designed to deal with the large data set. We can use the large data set of information. We can represented here the concept of classification in the form of decision tree or set of if then else statement. If then else statements we can use that rules. If then else rules we can use. Then software we can boosting the or reducing the error on unseen data. Or C5.0 is including link to the large number of publication. In case of studies, we can available more than information we can here. It will be represent http www.rulequest.com or C5. This is the publication of pubs HTML. This one is the publication HTML. Next one is last one, CORT S.0. What is CORT S.0? In your CORT is another well known as classification. It is used to regression tree. It means who will represent. It will be developed in 1984. Breman, Friedman and Olshan. It will be developed in 1984. Who will be developed? Breman, Friedman, Olshan. It is the first presented the approach to represent paper in 1984. The paper has been, it is a large number of times. It means CORT is also based on the decision tree. This one also decision tree format, just as the C4.5. A CORT decision tree is the binary tree. We can use the binary tree format. We can use a raw data is a data set. The first divided into two descripted. Each this method we can divide it into two represent. It will be process continuous until it is no needed to divide it into the nodes. It will be nodes will be represented. Decision tree is the one of the major technique. We can packages. Some include the Navy bias method. We can use here. In your CAT method, we can use the C4.5 and